much. My name is Max Kabalisa. I'm working for UNICEF Supply Division, specifically based in Copenhagen. And I look after supply chain digitalization and traceability of the products that we buy. And we do work mostly with the countries that we support. And specifically, I have a program that I'm running, which is called Traceability and Verification System, which is a system that we have developed to prevent counterfeit and falsification. So this is very key for us because we don't want to make any mistake in allowing or procuring something that is not really genuine, because that would cause harm to patients. So the program is really I would say a program that we've been working with the partners. So we have different partners that we work together. And so we developed this system that can help countries to detect any counterfeit products that would enter their national supply chain. We started with the vaccines, but we are extending beyond the vaccines to include antimalarials, antiretroviral drugs, and other essential medicines. So happy to be part of this conference. Different presentation that I enjoyed, but of course the most I enjoyed was my presentation, which was about serialization and in pharmaceutical packaging, which I think is very much aligned to the work that we are doing. So we talked about the system that we have developed, which is called the Traceability and Verification System, and abbreviated as TRUST. So that was more about the presentation. So we talked on how the system is designed, the architecture of the system, the implementation, how we have implemented this system to different countries, and the pipeline of countries where we're going to implement this system, and of course the impact and the technology behind the system, how it works. So that's basically what we talked about, and people were very much interested, got a couple of questions, and of course a lot of contacts, and we're also learning from others. This is, I would say, an extraordinary audience that I really liked. They asked lots of questions and the contributions, and also trying to see the alignment with what other organizations that are doing. So the audience was very superb, very much organized, and very constructive questions. A very important question. I think all of us, we have learned from the COVID-19 pandemic. So I think we saw a lot of disruptions in the supply chain. And I believe for the industries to move forward better and be able to prepare ourselves for maybe next pandemic, we needed to do well in supply chain digitalization. And for us, the most important thing that we look at is having the data that can help you make an informed decisions in a timely fashion. So that's when you can be able to know what you need and how to deliver that. And so you need to have all systems working together. And there's a concept that now is going on we call digital twins. So as much as you move the physical products, you also need to have equivalent data of those products that you can help you digitalize and make decisions that are faster and responding to the need that you have. This is something I would say I have seen in the first type of conference we have, where they appointed the personal managers for, I don't know if it was for everyone or if it was for speakers. At least we worked with Anne from the beginning. She's been very, very nice, providing all the information we needed. And frankly speaking, I did not struggle on anything. I felt I have all the information that I needed for the conference, including the app for the conference, which was set up a couple of days before I came to this conference. So literally everything was in hand, and she did set also a couple of meetings for me with the other stakeholders, those I needed and those who needed me as well. So it was an excellent approach, and I'm super grateful for her and for her support and the way we have been interacting from the beginning until today. Thank you.